Hello, this is me, Bowen, and I will be showing you my my Wild Republic collection. So, here we go. Here is the quail and the Kennedy goose, Yeah, geese, it's geese. And the pileated woodpecker, same back there. And here is the downy woodpecker and the oriole back there, and the checker partridge, and the oriole, and the golden macaw parrot, and Lenny back there. Lenny's just a cow, but he's a Wild Republic, so yeah. This is Oscar, a river otter, and here is a northern flicker, and a turkey, and an eastern towhee, and a peregrine falcon, and an osprey, and where's the ones in the back? And I guess the only and there is a cockatiel, and these two ones, the wood duck and the California condor, I'm giving those to my grandpa for, oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, and here are the ones in the back that are the rarest, that don't make sound. The rotor, that's a cool one. The golden warbler, also known as the yellow warbler, and the bullfinch. So, bye, and hope to see you on the next video. And if we do a Minecraft video, that would be awesome. Bye.